So hey everyone, this is Nabil Khan and welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to see about the heading tags and paragraph tags, and we will also cover the strong tag and em tag. So in previous video we had covered the link tags and we had covered the basic structure of HTML. So if you haven't watched that video, just go and watch it. I'll give the link in the description box. So without wasting any more time, let's start this video. So we will open our VS Code editor, and in this video we will create a new file. For all the videos we will create a new HTML file. So I will name this file as tutorial3.html. So after creating this file, we will create the HTML boilerplate. So just write exclamation mark and enter. So this is our HTML boilerplate. So I will change the title of our web page. So I will write tutorial 3 and I will save this and just click on go live. So as you can see, our web page is blank because I have not write any code in our body tag. So we will write the code in our body tag. So first of all we will cover the heading tags. So in HTML there are total 6 heading tags, h1 to h6. So just write h1 and click on enter. So in this h1 I will just write this is heading 1. So after writing this I will save this, and you can see this is heading 1 is displaying here. So after heading 1 we have our h2. So just copy and I will paste this. So instead of h1 I will write h2 and heading 2, here h3 and heading 3, h4 and heading 4, h5 and heading 5, h6 and heading 6. So after writing this, just save it and go on your browser, and you can see our headings are displaying. So I will need to change here h5. After changing this, just save it. As you can see, our 6 headings are ready. This is heading 1, this is heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. So heading 1, h1 is the largest heading and h6 is the smallest heading in the HTML. So let's cover about the paragraph tag. So to create a paragraph, just write p and click on enter, and you can see our paragraph tag is ready. So in this paragraph tag I will write this is a paragraph. So after writing this, just save it and go on your browser, and you can see this paragraph is displaying. So now we will see about emmet, how we can create the dummy words using emmet. So in this paragraph I will just write lorem and 4. So after writing lorem 4, as you can see the emmet has created the 4 dummy words. So this is emmet abbreviation. You can create the dummy words using emmet. So after writing lorem I will write 40. So it will generate 40 dummy words. So it has generated 40 dummy words. So now you just click on manage and click on command palette and click on toggle word trap. So now we will save this and just go on your browser. You can see our paragraph is displaying. So now let's cover about the strong tag. So between this paragraph I will just write strong, and you can see our strong tag is ready. So between this strong tag I will just write this is strong tag. So after writing this, just save it and go on your browser. Now you can see this is strong tag is displaying in bold letters. So this is the use of strong tag. Now let's cover about the em tag. So between this I will just write em, and I'll write this is emphasize tag. So after writing this, just save it and go on your browser, and you can see this is emphasized is displaying in the italic fonts. So this is the use of emphasized tag, and this is the strong tag, and we had covered the headings and paragraphs. So now how we can generate more than one paragraph using the emmet. So just write p and star and write 4. So it will generate 4 paragraph text. Just click on enter. Now you can see our 4 paragraph text are ready. So same way we can create the headings. So I will write h1 star 5. So it will generate 5 h1 text. So just click on enter. So it has created 5 h1 tags. So this is the use of emmet. You can create more than one tag using this emmet abbreviation, and you can create the dummy words using emmet. So this is all about it. In this video we had covered heading tag, the paragraph, the strong tag, the emphasized tag, and we had covered about emmet. So hope you like the video, and